Hi everyone, Jinxie here. I am doing an energy read for the year 2021 for all you air signs of the zodiac. Air signs having to do with Geminis, Libras, and Aquarians. All right? And okay, before I begin, please do excuse me. I do have a lisp in my speech due to the Invisaligns. So sounding like Donald Duck, I hope you do forgive me. I will be as clear as I possibly can. Okay, I digress. Now, the year 2021, the two energies which are heavy in this year is the energy of Moon and the energy of Mercury, okay? And now I'm going to explain to you how that's going to resonate with the air signs individually, okay? Let me start with the sign Gemini. Now, Geminis, for you specifically, the year 2021 will be Geminis, you guys are definitely looking for change. Geminis, you're more so focused on wanting to reinvent yourself. I think another sign also wanted this. Yeah, Geminis, you guys are very much about reinventing yourselves or trying to better yourselves or change yourself in a way which is more so about wanting change with your home situation, okay? Now, what I mean by this is that you're looking to first, there's situations about yourself that you're looking to change, okay? Maybe a habit, maybe the way you talk, maybe the way you present yourself, maybe even the way you deal with your family members, okay? You're looking to find some sort of change, some sort of healing, something having to do relating with your family. You're looking to make a better situation for them. And for some of you Geminis, there may be an increase in family, as in like there could be a child, like an increase with a child. Okay, what I'm picking up now, don't shoot the messenger, okay, Geminis. I do feel like some of you Geminis are going to be getting married, or there's going to be a celebration, like an engagement, a baby shower, or you're getting married, in which the family dynamics are changing, and you're looking to expand when it comes to home. Like you could be, right, currently you could be living in an apartment and you've saved money, in which now you're looking to buy a house, okay? Or you're looking to move from one home into a better home, a bigger home, or whatever the case is. You're looking to move locale when it comes to your domicile, when it comes to your living situation. You're looking to find better ways of increasing in your home environment. You yourself, the changes you're looking to make, I'll be honest with you, is very much centered around your home, your family. You're looking to make better bondings, relationships with your family members. You're looking for ways to even better yourself, okay? Yes, one thing is you're looking to reinvent yourself as a whole. That I do see. But mainly because I feel like you're looking to better yourself in the fact that you can make better relations with your family members, better relations with just with your immediate family. Like, family is weighing heavy on me, and changing yourself for that. And the second thing is I do feel like, yeah, the major energy does revolve around your family and how you portray yourself with them, your relationships with them, how you are as a person. I do feel like you need to work on yourself as well. There's a lot of you which are coming into making your relationships very solid. If you've been dating somebody, looks like you're looking to go to the next step or make it more permanent, more solid in your relationship. And if not, I do feel like a lot of you are actually tying the knot, actually getting married. But you guys are definitely looking to go a step further in your relationship. I do feel like there's a lot of marriages happening with you guys too. I know there's another sign I picked up that also I saw a lot of marriages, a lot of commitments happening. Look, long-term commitments. Geminis, I'm picking that up with you too. Definitely, and I feel like that this long-term commitment is what is going to push you into a better, like a changing of your home. Marriage wise, yeah, it makes sense. You know, you get married and you move into your own location. But it's also like you guys, because of a union, you guys are moving home, or you're looking for a better situation when it comes to your living standards, okay? But yes, when it comes for Geminis, you are working on yourself, making changes within yourself and your overall life pertaining to home situations, whether you are getting married, whether you're having a child, whether it's just building stronger relationships or rebuilding relationships with family members, also moving into a bigger or better home situation. I literally do see a situation in which you are moving homes, and it's like, but the home is for a better reason. It's not like, okay, you're getting thrown out in the streets, you need to find a place to live. No, I do pick up you're looking for bettering the home situation, making it prettier, making it more livable. You know what I'm saying to you? That your focus is very much on that. All right, those are where your energies are heavily influenced on. Okay, Geminis. The second air signs are Libra. Okay, Libras. Okay, I think this is another similar energy with another sign. Librans, I do pick up. Okay, Librans, you're looking to do some kind of research or looking to maybe educate yourself a little further. And yeah, there was another sign I remember doing, which similar energy, but your energy is a little different. You're looking to gain a step up in how you make money. I remember doing some reading with another zodiac where the person is looking to invest in long-term investments. That's not you, but you are thinking about future income, money-wise, monetary gains. Your mind is there, and I feel like you're looking to maybe go into some sort of research or some sort of education to kind of go step up in making more monetary gain. Meaning that, imagine you're working in a bank and you're just a teller, right? And you're making good income, you're making money, but you decide that, you know what, you want to make more money. So you're probably going to go back to school and get a degree in accounting, like a 2-year degree in accounting, which will move you from a teller to a personal banker. So now you have better money, better gains. You understand what I mean? Or maybe let's say you're an LPN, right? You're a nurse practitioner. And now you're looking to get your RN, you know, and now you're going to be a full-fledged bachelor's or master's nurse. Now this is going to make you more money, more monetary gain. This is what I see you Librans doing. It's not necessarily about relationships with you guys, Librans, but I do feel like your attention is very much on how you could better yourself, in which you can make more monetary gains. You know what I mean? Nothing with investments, nothing with hereditary. I pick up that you're definitely looking to educate yourself further, looking for ways to maybe research how you could improve yourself in your working life, in which you gain more. You know what I mean? Maybe you're a businessman who wants to see if you partner up with another company, is this worthwhile for you to gain more in your career, and more in your life? Or like, let's say you're an independent businessman, but an offer comes to you, or you do research about another company that you can definitely see, if you guys join your assets together, can your company even flourish more? Would there be even more gains? That is where I see you actually investing your time and energy in, Librans, okay? Not so much in family. I'm not seeing much more family with you guys. Excuse me. I do see you guys looking to make more monetary gain. But yes, I do see you going into researching or trying to dig deep in something. Could be, and I do feel like it could be in your career. Or the other thing is, if you guys are in partnerships of any kind, Librans, I do feel like you either will be going into a partnership in which your gains increase. You know what I mean? Or it could be that you and your partner like put your assets together, and you're gaining in finances, you're gaining money, you're gaining whatever. Or it could be that, you know, like you and your partner decide to invest in a property, you know, or in which, you know, like it's more of an investment property in which you buy the building or the home, and now this is going to pan out good income because you're renting it off. Things like that. Like you're looking at investing, doing research in which you either invest or you're furthering your education, in which you are more monetary, financially more comfortable. That is where your mind is in the year 2021. And to be honest, if you are not doing it, I suggest you do, because the energy is very strong for you, that it will definitely pan out in your favor, okay? Consider that if you haven't yet considered it. The next air sign is Aquarians. Okay, Aquarians. Now, you guys know you guys like to be different, out of the box. Okay. Aquarians, if you're in relationships, I'm gonna tell you right now, please do not shoot the messenger. You guys are gaining a lot of attention around you, okay, around your surroundings, specifically in the work field, okay? I do see you guys attracting a lot of attention. I see you guys, look, Geminis, you know how you are. You're flirtatious, okay? Even if you think you're not, the way you talk, the way you present yourself, you guys are flirtatious. So you're gaining attention. You're gaining people who want to talk to you. You're gaining people who want to take you out on dates. Okay, it's a lot of fun, a lot of flirtations, a lot of fun. And there's a lot of you that could actually end up having secret affairs in your working arena. You understand? There's two situations. One is if you are on social media of some kind, I do see you flirting a lot, maybe even having relationships via social media relationships. Or it could be that if you are working, I get it, the lockdown is up, but the lockdown will be over by second half of next year. So I do see this happening regardless, whether it's the beginning of 2021 or second half of 2021, which I do feel like is more so the second half of 2021. Aquarians, I do feel like there will be some work affairs, relations happening, because there's a lot of flirtations going on. There's a lot of fun with that, you know what I mean? So yeah, like I do feel like if you allow it, there will be a lot of work affairs going on. And heads up, please don't mind me saying this, kind of be careful, okay? Having affairs at work can always end up bad, because if you guys break up, if the breakup is ugly, you guys have to face each other every day. So be careful about that, okay? But I do see a lot of flirting going on in the workplace. And if it's not in the workplace, you guys are definitely having a lot of fun flirting social media. You guys are attracting a lot of attention. You guys are. Something about your energy is like booming out there. You guys are kind of glowing, you know what I mean? So you guys are attracting a lot of attention. A lot of attention, Aquarians, a lot of attention. And you can't help it. Take part in some of the fun. So if some of you are in very solid relationships, I do feel like you guys could kind of be pulled towards or attracted to secret affairs. You know what I mean? And please, I'm just letting you know, the energy is there. Whether you so choose to do so or not my call. I'm not here to judge, and nor do I care. I think it's up to you, all right? But I'm letting you know right now, the energy is very heavy on secret liaisons, secret affairs. You are attracting a lot of attention in 2021. Yes, one is definitely through your workforce. If you go into a building with a lot of people are noticing you. You are glowing, and you'll see this yourself. I don't even have to say it. The second is via social media. People are being attracted to you. You'll be talking more. You'll be seeing that people want to connect to you more. Okay, so yeah, if you're single, kudos, have fun. If you're in solid relationships, heads up, the potential for some secret affairs is very, very, very high. All right, guys, so just be forewarned, okay? I do see a lot of that happening. Some of you even having an affair with your bosses. Be careful. All right, guys? Is there anything else? No, Aquarians, for you, that energy seems to be very, very strong. Flirtations, attracting attention, and secret affairs. So just heads up, okay, guys? If you guys are single, have your fun. If you guys are in relationships, please be on guard, okay? Because I don't want to hear broken hearts or bleeding hearts. Because when I go back to tarots and I'm seeing a lot of bleeding hearts, I'm gonna blame you, Aquarians, okay? So just be cautious. Excuse me, I'm sorry. So yes, for you air signs, these are the energies I'm feeling very heavy with you guys about, okay? So yes, okay, one more thing about you Aquarians. Also be careful of a lot of battles in the workforce, okay? There'll be situations in where you may end up getting blamed for something that's not your fault. There may be some arguments happening within your workforce, okay? I do pick that up too. So just kind of keep your emotions in check. I do feel like you'll be a little more emotional than, or you may be saying things accidentally, okay? Which rubs people the wrong way. So just be a little careful about that, all right? All right. Now, I'm going to just, to reiterate, when it comes to you Geminis, you guys, your focus is very much on reinventing yourself. Also, like working on yourself and how you talk and how you present yourself, because your focus is very much on the home. Yes, I do see a potential for a lot of you solidifying relationships, you know, either making it very solid that yes, you and I are together, or even marriage, which you guys will actually end up in a better home. But you guys are very much focused on home situations, either moving into a better location and or working on your family situations, okay? But that your home life is very much focused, and also reinventing yourself so you have a better home life, okay? And better security, better stability. For you Librans, healing. Okay, for you Librans, like I said, like for you people who are in the healing profession, I do feel like you guys are looking into educating or finding out information how you can better yourself financially. Like if you're a nurse or a doctor, or if like if you're a nurse, I told you, you may want to go towards a natural healing, maybe even become certified in Reiki or acupuncture, in which you're more than a nurse, not just for allopathic medicine, but for naturopathic medicine, things like that. Or your focus is on finding ways to increase your monetary gain, or you're looking to invest with somebody, like connecting in some sort of partnership in which you feel like you can have better gains financially, or you and your partner are looking to invest together in some sort of arena, some situation in which you guys can in the long run it'll pan out for you guys, okay? Because it's very strong on financial stability, like you're looking for that. And then when it comes to you Aquarians, like I said, there's very strong on energy on wanting to have fun. Like you're tired of being locked up. Like you want to be flirtatious. You want to have fun. And you're attracting a lot of attention. And if you guys aren't in solid relationships, just know that you will be attracting people towards you, which will give you a very, very strong desire for the secret affairs to happen, okay? So guys, don't hurt, no wounded hearts, all right guys? If you're single, go and have fun. If you're in solid relationships, I'm letting you know right now, you are shining bright and you're gaining a lot of attention, and you will gain attention in which people want to be with you, okay? Whether it's the one is at the workforce, I do pick up that you'll be noticed, and the second is via social media, okay? You guys are getting a lot of attention, and because you guys want to have fun, because you guys want to like light a fire up your ass, you'll be attracted to it, all right? Air signs, these are the energies I pick up for you for the year 2021. I hope it gave you some clarity. I wish you a lot of luck and many, many blessings for this coming year. All right, guys? Bye for now.